are now among the top 5 performing provinces nationwide in year-on-year growth in locally sourced income with a record-breaking of 66.49% increase. We rank 5 highest in the per capita gross domestic product among all 82 provinces in the Philippines. We are now recognized as the 15th most progressive province in the country, and we are the 4th fastest growing economy and the largest economy overall in Mindanao. And most notably, coming from one of the poorest provinces before, we are now reclassified as a first-class province. These achievements are not